Hello everyone, I'm here with a new question from one of my audience today. So let's get the question answered. Okay, so make myself smaller so you can see the question. Okay, how to find the best keywords to use when setting up a Google ad for my drone videography company. As the name suggests, I run a drone videography company and want to start trying Google Ads to see whether it's or not it can bring in clients, leads, or sales. My target area is for film professionals such as videographers, producers, directors. We also offer videography services to business, events, and property, but our main focus is people who just need raw footage only. I'm not a marketer or have any experience, but I want to try Google Ads to see whether or not it's a viable option to get leads in. However, I'm not sure of the best search terms and keywords and really what people are searching when they are looking for a drone pilot. I have had Facebook ads active for a while just on an awareness campaign, and I have also been sending cold emails to people who fit the persona. And advice to find the best search terms and keywords to be effective would be greatly helpful. Okay, so my question over here, okay, is how is Facebook ads performing for you? How is Facebook ads performing for you? Okay, because if they are performing good, we can do retargeting. We can do retargeting or remarketing on Google Ads, specifically on Google Ads display. This can help you because the people who already have shown interest in your product or service, and we can convince them to sell later on through this. Also, we can do remarketing for Google Ads for Facebook ads visitors and people who have visited our website already, because you are doing cold calling, so the people who have already visiting, they can help you. So I'm telling you the full-fledged strategy for your video drone videography company. So I'm going to write over here Google Ads for video uh, drone graphy company. Okay, so I will tell on later on as well on your keywords part as well, but I think that this can tell you. Apart from this, we can run local service ads as well, and for local service ads you can run on business Google local service ads. Now they are more advanced, but for instance, I'm going to search for video graphy service near me, and I'm going to see now these are the places over here. I can show my ad over here as well, and I can show through the Google ads as well as the local service ads as well. Just the local service ads are more optimized, however, they are little difficult in getting approved, so we can run through the Google local ads as well. But I'm giving you an option on we can run through local service ads or through Google ads. But if you want to run through the Google ads, we need a Google business profile. Okay, so we need a Google business profile. So create a Google business profile as well. This can help you in getting more credibility, authenticity. You may see over here. Now these are the business profiles. They got reviews. You can have the locations, address, directory reviews, a lot more. So create a we need a Google business profile to run ads over here, and this can eventually give you very good sales if you get good reviews. So you may periodically ask your users to review yourself as well. So this can help you in getting more sales. Now I think that with this you need a very good lander. In order to run a campaign, need an excellent lander. Excellent lander means excellent landing page service. Okay, landing page. And you can use various tools. We also provide help. We also help clients with landing page development, so we can help you at that as well. WordPress can be a good option to start. ClickFunnels can be a good option to start as well. But either way, you need an excellent landing page, or you can ask your web development company. Also, we can help you with this as well. So coming after the landing page, my second priority would be to create an amazing campaign, and for that, I need my competitors analysis. So for the competitor analysis, I recommend tools like SpyFu and Google Ads Keyword Planner. They both work very well in telling what works well for your audience, and how you can grab more customers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look around for over here for some keywords as well. From so you know what good thing about SpyFu is that you just have to give your command, it's automatically going to create you relevant keywords. You can also put your website over here and then can tell you as well. I'm going to log in and get back over here. So I'm finally logged in over here, and if the SpyFu, it can tell you my relevant keywords, and I can, probably see some other people as well, and I can see around drone graphy service and some ads as well. You may see around over here the office timings are also being visible, so ads like this can help. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look around for the commercial drone photography service, and I'm gonna grab their keywords ads and as much data as possible in order drone video and photo services, professional drone services. So yeah, this also sounds so what you need is in order to create a good campaign, you need to come up with your location, uh, location, targeting, and highly optimized Google Ads campaign. Okay, this is an essential part in running a campaign because you can't have all of the keywords and locations in one place. I think start with small and then eventually grow up after looking around what data is working well for you. So your analytical and tracking conversions. Okay, let me move it right now to the next page so you guys can see clearly. Analytical and tracking approach should be amazing. So my opinion is we need to work on this as well, so we can track whatever is working well on our website. So this is another important part. Now moving back to my keywords, so I can they are not running for any keywords. Let me see if they have any history. Okay, they got some keywords. These are their ad, but look around for the other one as well. So not an extensive data to be available over here, but drone weddings could be a good keyword to give us some data more. Okay, so you can see around drone video graphics near me. They are running an ad on drone video graphics near me. So I think that I would go with small locations. My keyword strategy would be, based on the comparator analysis, would be city name plus keyword or near me as well. And if I going to use this keyword on the keyword planner, maybe I can get a data. Okay, I'm going to write over here to see what I'm going to get a data for the keywords. So you may see the keyword has good data, drawn videographers. So I can go with this, or I can get on keyword idea and get results. I can even optimize my location, and let's say I move over here to show you. No, it's not much data available over here with this one. So drone camera, I may look with something different to see around over here and to see other data as well. So yeah, I got it, but I can even in fact add the website as well to see, for instance, if I'm going to add this website over here on the keyword planner to see, so you can see around over here to get the results. It's not working. Okay, start with our website. Okay, so yeah, not interesting results I have got so far. So I'm going to remove this location as well, so I can get it for worldwide. So I can drone videography. So we see around over here I got some more, no, not any inspiring data over here. I'm going to remove the website as well to see if I get further data. So I have very little data to further optimize, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to help with the keywords like drone wedding. I can take the word drone wedding, and I would have to create a separate campaign or ad group for this one. So keep in mind this as well. I need to come up uh, I need to come up with a separate ad for each keyword for highly customization and intent. So you need to keep in this mind as well. So yeah, drone wedding is also good keyword, slightly searched. So you may see around over here, got some data over here as well, and I can write drone camera or drone video, maybe to find something relevant over here with this one drone video. I got some good keywords. So you may see around, but no, these are not relevant keywords. These are more talking about the drone cameras. But sticking back to my topic over here, I can, grab their ads over here, most successful ads over them. And I got another competitor, and I'm gonna see their ads as well. What more data I can get, For instance, I got their experienced drone pilot, so I got their ad. I got their further keywords as well: construction, time lapse video, drone photographers, Indianapolis. This is a location. Drone video for weddings, John Bro. So you can see I got little keywords as well, and yeah, this can help me in forming my keyword data as well. Construction videos, I can come up with something like this for drone videos, for companies videos, so drones for weddings, so I can come up with this as well: drone for weddings, uh, drones for companies, events, company events. So like this can help in optimizing, and then creating a highly optimized ad, like I told you, like separate ad. Plus, if you can add ad assets to your ads to make it more convincing. For instance, this client was running an ad over here. You can see it out. Location, prices mentioned, video production. This also grabs more attention. And I forgot to review this one as well. So we can review this client as well to see we can get some data, and we can cross check those keywords in adding on keyword planner to see, for instance, you can see we can also use real estate photography near me. We can use keywords for real estate as well. So we got some data from here as well. Drones in Montana, location wise keywords. So got some of the keywords as well. Drone companies in Oregon. So you can see around over here, we can get some data from them as well. And that is how we can run our ads. So yeah, this was a quick fix. Yeah, for your question regarding how to find the keywords, I suggested you some ideas. You can use SpyFu and Keyword Planner to figure out. Plus, I recommend you to use phrase match and exact match, or broad match with AI support to run your ads. But if you need a professional help, or anyone needs a professional help with the Google Ads audit, setup, or management campaign, you can definitely hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are a Google partner company, and we would love to help with you. So if anyone needs a professional service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.